Hi everyone, welcome back to Gordon St. Hilaire's family farm. Today we are actually farming. So in the background in a minute we'll pan around. We've got a bunch of hay down, but what I'm working on today is my New Holland 450 utility round baler. I've greased it, I've oiled it. One of the big things is, you know, getting things ready for the season, which should have been probably a while ago, but I'm busy with other things. But we just threaded new twine through. This is what I call 16,000 Cecil twine. Pretty simple baler. You weave it through the two kind of trolleys, the pulleys here, and then it's got a mechanism where it goes down underneath to an actuator arm that I run from the tractor to actually, when the chamber gets full, you can see up here on the side, this will slide all the way down, and I actually have like a little horn that goes off to let me know that it's full. And it typically automatically will cut, you know, wrap the bale and then cut the twine off and make a round bale. We make 4x4 round bales for our white-faced beef cattle here at the farm. Also have our green John Deere baler in the background over here where we'll do some square bales. I'm not sure if we'll get to that today, but definitely tomorrow. And that runs well as well. So we greased that. That has not been threaded with twine yet. But yeah, we have raking in process, and hopefully in a few minutes we'll be on the tractor baling some hay. So really appreciate you checking out my channel. Stay tuned for more. Thanks so much. We are just about ready to fire up the baler. We're going to try to see if everything's going to be functional. So it will be loud. There will be an engine running. There will be a power takeoff running. And we'll see if we can make a round bale. I'll try to do a little commentating as I'm going, but you might not be able to hear me, so I'll do my best. All right, here we go. Fire it up. I run my baler at, well, the power takeoff is 540, but my RPMs are 2000. So hopefully everything holds. Is that okay? All right. Ready? Baler's pretty easy to run. You have to weave the bale from left to right or right to left to make a balanced bale. I'm going to need to jump off here in a minute just to make sure my belts are good. Just bear with me for a second, I'll be right back. This baler works pretty well. You can either bale in an automatic mode, which the dial that I showed you earlier on the baler chamber will let you know when it's full, and the buzzer will go off if everything works properly. If it doesn't, I can manually do it with this controller, which is actually pretty simple. This is that. We're getting close. You should hear a go off, the baler's full, and there it is. I'm going to back up. Only one of the wheels is working, which is fine. Not sure why the other one didn't pull. Almost second. It didn't cut off. I'm going to idle it down and check out what's going on. It didn't want to cut off for some reason. I'm not sure why. Usually the knife is pretty good, but oh, it's got a bunch of stuff in there. Usually that knife will come down. That's how that should be.
Yeah,
so that's what I had trouble last year with. So I'm gonna just bale in manual mode, and I'll manually tie it again for today. It's 2:30. Gordon likes to work late, but not that late. Everything seems to be working fine, except the twine is not cutting off. So that means everything is not working fine. So we are going to take a look to see if we can diagnose that, and hopefully in the next video show you more hay. Thanks.